Alright guys, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on a saltfish fritter. So I got some saltfish boiling. Alright, I got some peppers, tomatoes, scallion, thyme. I got some curry, salt and pepper, some flour. I got some water. So, alright. Alright guys, so this is everything cut, prepped, and ready to go. Alright. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and just make a mount in the middle. I'm gonna add a little bit of the water. Alright, your salt, pepper, a bit of curry powder, scotch bonnet, tomatoes, red pepper, some green pepper, some green onions, some thyme. I got some saltfish, and you could add conch. You could add a lot of stuff to this to make different type of fritter. But then we're just gonna go ahead now and give this a quick mix. We're gonna add more water while we go. You got different recipes out there, guys. You could even add eggs to this. You could add baking powder if you want it to be puffy. But I like when mines are flat, so I didn't add no baking powder to this one. Alright, I'm gonna add the rest of the water. Give it a quick mix. Once this is ready, we're gonna go ahead and just heat some oil. I'm just gonna take up a spoon's worth and drop them in the oil and fry our fritter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this out, mix out the batter. And some more water. Alright guys, so this is what you're looking for. This is the texture you want to have. So we got peppers, tomatoes, you know, some scotch bonnet pepper, some saltfish, everything all mixed up in here. Alright, so we got some oil. Once that's hot and ready. Alright guys, the oil is hot and ready. We're gonna get a spoon. I'm just gonna add it just like so. Gonna do like 3 at a time. This one, guys, we're just gonna keep rotating them while they go. Don't take long for them to be golden. There we go. Just repeat the process while you do.